Good evening, everyone. My name is Ishban Yadav. Welcome back to Cyber Peace TV. If you aren't subscribed to our channel yet, you should definitely subscribe to stay cyber secure because we bring all kinds of videos. And if you are new on this video, please begin by subscribing. And I'm sure by the end of this video, you'll also press the bell icon. And if you have any feedback, yes, do feel free to share us in the comment section. Now let's get along to the video. In today's time and situation, every form of communication is taking place on the internet, especially web calling. Be it Zoom call, be it Google Meet, or be it Cisco WebEx, any sort of app that you take, you are communicating over the internet, may it be for work or for studying or for some sort of other meeting. So today we are going to discuss some safety tips on how you can stay cyber secure on these sort of Zoom calls. Like every educational institute, Rohan School also started taking virtual classroom sessions. He started doing classes and everybody got accustomed to the new normal of education, as we all are doing nowadays. So, since people are getting more aware of apps, they've also found ways to hack the system and disturb the classroom. One fine day, an anonymous person joined the online class. Rohan की online class किसी ने join की होगी, and at first everyone thought that it was one of the students, but then the anonymous participant started creating nuisance in the session. The teacher kept muting, but it was of no use. They had to end the session and there were no classes the entire day. The teacher got so afraid. He had to shut it down. This is just one incident that happened all over the world. In some of these classes, students interfere sometimes, with the classes by changing their names they just think of it as fun. Students think that it is a measure to poke a little fun in the class by hiding their names and faces. Some of these are harmless pranks, but others escalate to bullying of the teacher. किसी भी टीचर के लिए ऑनलाइन क्लास करना इजी नहीं है. इट इज़ ऑलरेडी वेरी हार्ड इनफ फॉर टीचर्स टू फिगर आउट द एंटायर प्रोसेस ऑफ टेकिंग एन ऑनलाइन क्लास. मतलब डेकोरम भी मेंटेन करना है, साथ में डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन करना है, साथ में एजुकेट भी करना है, जबकि वो फिजिकल प्रेजेंस में है भी नहीं टीचर्स. सो इफ बुलीज एंड इग्नोरेंट किड्स विल इंटरफियर, देन इट्स नॉट फेयर टू एनी ऑफ द पीपल इन्वॉल्व्ड इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ एजुकेटिंग द स्टूडेंट्स ऑनलाइन. एंड जो लोग डिलीजेंटली, जो स्टूडेंट्स भी जो ध्यान लगा के, मन लगा के पढ़ने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, उनके लिए भी फेयर नहीं है ये डेफिनेटली. इनिशियली जब ये ऑनलाइन क्लासेस और ऑनलाइन मीटिंग्स का ट्रेंड स्टार्ट हुआ, तब पीपल वर नॉट रियली थिंकिंग अबाउट सिक्योरिटी, बिकॉज लिंक ज़्यादा था. जिसके पास लिंक जाना है उसके पास लिंक गया, उसने लिंक देखा, खोला, एंड रिज्यूमिंग विद देयर बिजनेस. जो भी उनको करना है, दे आर कंडक्टिंग इट ऑनलाइन. बट हैविंग सेड दैट, अब रिसेंटली क्या हो रहा है, जब इतनी हैकिंग हो रही है, जब इतने एनोनिमस लोग एंटर करके मैल प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, तो इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट टू कीप अ पासवर्ड. एंड बी इट Zoom call or any call, they have started keeping a specific password for each of the meeting, and that is one of the things that we can do. Apart from that, we'll also let's now discuss a few things on how you can be safe on these online classes and meetings. The first tip to make your virtual class safe is to keep your URL private. The meeting URL, basically जो website होती है, जो आपके पास link आता है with which you can join the meeting, it's best to share it with only the group that you are conducting it with. The second tip, guys, is to lock your virtual classroom. Now every app is providing this feature where you can actually lock the classroom after a certain period of time. So for example, if you have meeting tomorrow, inform your students or your peers today and let them know that your class or your meeting session will be available to enter for a period of 10 minutes, and after that it will be locked. Third tip is to control screen sharing. Be it Zoom or any app, they by default allow only the host to share the screen. It can be changed in settings for sure, and कई बार लोग ऐसा कर भी देते हैं कि किसी को भी allowed है screen sharing, but it's a strict recommendation to not allow anyone because students can misuse. My fourth tip is a beautiful one, and it is to enable waiting room. I'm sure आप में से कई लोग जो Zoom यूज करते हैं उनको पता ही होगा waiting room क्या होता है. So anyone who wants to join the meeting will actually have to wait in the waiting room before joining the session. So this will definitely keep your meeting and your virtual classroom very secure. The fifth tip, guys, is to lock down your chat room. basically you have to keep in mind that you have to lock the student to student chat room. Suppose you are the teacher and you don't want students to create extra nuisance in the chat, like they'll be commenting anything if they wish to, just to poke fun at you. So you can basically lock the chat room and keep in mind to keep host to student chat room open. My final tip to be cyber secure is to remove the participant who is creating nuisance on your Zoom call. Be it someone anonymous or be it one of your students who is trying to be cool and who is trying to poke fun at you with some sort of silly prank. Just remove, because he is naturally disturbing the session. ऑल्सो ये आई डोंट थिंक अभी बोलने की ज़रूरत है, बिकॉज आप साइबर पीस टीवी की ऑलरेडी इतनी सारी वीडियोस देखते हो, लेकिन अगर किसी तरह का सॉफ्टवेयर अपडेट कोई ऐप कर भी रही है तो प्लीज़ वेरीफाई करके ही उसको अपडेट करना, ऐसे बस खुलेआम मत कर देना, बिकॉज इट मे बी सम सॉर्ट ऑफ हैकिंग स्कीम. सो इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट टू स्टे सेफ एंड स्टे अवेयर, स्टे साइबर सिक्योर. और अगर आपकी कोई फर्दर क्वेरी हो तो व्हाट्सएप नंबर है हमारा 9570000066, 9575100066. You can feel free to reach us out, to reach Cyber Peace TV out on the WhatsApp number.